Question 61. Solve 3 e raised to x tan y dx is equal to plus 1 minus e raised to x into sec square y dy is equal to 0. So we'll just write down what is given. 3 e raised to x tan y dx plus 1 minus e raised to x sec square y dy equal to 0. So it looks like the question, if we can group together the y terms and x terms separate, we can use separation of variables method to solve this. So let's see. First let's take this to the other side, so that becomes e raised to x 1 by minus 3 e raised to x tan y dx is equal to 1 minus e raised to x sec square y dy. Now bringing all y terms to the other side, therefore 1 by tan y into sec square y dy is equal to minus 3 e raised to x by 1 minus e raised to x dx. So we can integrate now. Integral 1 by tan y sec square y dy equal to minus 3 into integral e raised to x by 1 minus e raised to x dx. So we can use substitution here. We can put tan y equal to v. That becomes, so sec square y, integral of tan y is sec square y is equal to dv. Therefore this integral becomes 1 by v into sec square y dy. So sec square y dy here. Sorry, I'll just write it once more. Sec square y dy equal to dv. So here sec square y dy becomes dv. Similarly, we can use the substitution. 1 minus e raised to x is equal to u. So minus e raised to x is dx equal to du. So this becomes 1 by, we are taking minus inside, so it becomes minus e raised to x dx. So that is du 1 by u du. So this is easily integrable. Log v is equal to, so I forgot to add the constant. So log v is equal to 3 log u plus c. So that is, therefore log v is nothing but tan y. Tan y is equal to here log 3 log u is equal to log u cube, same as log u cube. So it which becomes log u cube. U is, what was our u? 1 minus e raised to x. 1 minus e raised to x the whole cube plus c. So let's write log c1. So that becomes can take log tan y equal to, this becomes log of c into 1 minus e raised to x the whole cube. So therefore tan y equal to c into 1 minus e raised to x the whole cube. So this is the solution. This is the solution to question number 61.